What's going on, everybody? I'm Anthony Chanette, co-owner and operator at Dirty South Pressure Washing. We are a fully licensed and insured professional exterior cleaning company serving Hillsborough County and surrounding areas for over 8 years. Experience, research, and training allows us to know exactly what products to use and how much, along with the proper tools, equipment, and pressure safest for the property, its inhabitants, and the surrounding environment. Find out today why people all over Tampa Bay are choosing and trusting us with all of their pressure washing needs.